that, teacher?
Yeah, man, a Vybz Kartel himself, man. I'm a 15 minutes when I take to wash my clothes them. Just beat fast.
Yeah, man. Don't say a word, man. Me have 2 trucks and I wait for you, man. Me I just load them up same time.
What if this is all we are?
Yeah, man, me G that so bad.
Canterbury, lights of the weed, oh yeah.
Hold on, I want to tell you, brother.
Sorry, me G's. Me not do it again, man.
No, brother. You can't like the weed in them studio, brother. What kind of style that, brother? And that's why, man, like you got jail, no, brother. Cause I'm not hear, no, brother. I'm not listen rules, brother. You not see big notes fucking sign, brother.
Anything me sing about me do, you know.
Yo, start over and come again.
Just start over, catch up, man.
Canterbury, lights of the weed, oh yeah. Dad, nothing not there for token. Sleep for me, a roll bigger than a brown bread. And
you know what you know here, brother? Me just tell you, say don't build no weed in the studio, you're gonna build a bigger weed, brother.
A long time me no bonus with you, no, man.
You know say come like you know no sense, brother. They beat you in a jail and lick out your sense them.
Start back, catch up. Start back, catch up.
Brother, yo. Just start over here, man, for me, man. Sure.
Money for my brain, money for my brain,
Yep.
money for my brain. Money for my brain, money for my brain, dad, money for my brain.
Oh, wait. Brother, how you have the money for your brain, brother? Brother, take off the tape for your brother. Till you take this thing for gimmicks in the youth.
Just cool, man. Just start over, catch up. World Boss got this, you know. World Boss got this.
You know, I'm convinced you lose a screw in a jail, though. Yeah, man, me convinced you lose a screw, man. You're the right pan trap, but you have to mash up the thing because what? Because you have to put money for your a gimmicks thing. No, sir, tell me if you want gimmicks or if you want the truth, brother. Tell me.
Start over, catch up. World Boss.
Sure, come again, man.
Like me wash my face with the cake so. Like me wash my face with the cake so. Like me wash my face with the cake so. Like me wash my face with the cake.
No, sir.
My bad, me G. It's just that anything the artist say, the artist do.
It's a man not easy, brother. Look at man went up all line of my studio, though, God. Jesus Christ. Brother, come out of my studio, brother. Come out. Come out of my studio.
World Boss. Subscribe.
Them a fight, more man a rise. So me not gonna make you know I be my manager. Remember the words of my mother voice. Keep your head in the sky and your eyes on the prize. Vanish down.